the Florida special right here. Man repping. This man Look, we got a friend. What's it on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oof, it's dark. It's a little late, but you guys already know. We are, oh shit, I should probably lock this. You guys already know, right, we're about to do. Shit. How's my drink? Anyway, we're about to go get these runs in New Mexico. GTI's ready to rock and roll. I'm excited, guys, because, let me tell you guys in a sec here. So I'm excited, guys, because today I actually have a run lined up. So I'm gonna run my friend Riley, who has GTI. He's a manual GTI with the TPC38 turbo. He's tuned by SneekyTuned. He's gotten one revision, I think, and he's still on pump gas. So should be a decent run for me. Bigger turbo, obviously, and he's on pump, so should be decent to see how I put up. I think he'll probably beat me. But we'll see. That's like the one run I really want to get in. We'll see who else pulls up. But otherwise, guys, we're about to go get these runs in, see who pops out. Let's get this show on the road. Let's go. And here we are, guys. Little GTR, G8, Mustang, and there's the GTI. What up, dude? Are you by yourself this time? Yeah. Oh no. You don't got that extra weight. I got full weight. Me too. Damn, this is the Florida special right here. TPC turbo SneekyTune. You already know the business. Manual.
You took the last XL, right?
Should be good. 240. Apparently there's some Mustang. Which one? Oh snap! G8. Is it faster than the other one? Oh shit! Yeah, they got his lineup. Fuck no, just kidding. V8's right here, guys. V8's ready to run a couple. Alright, guys, we got some Pontiac action. We got some Beamer. We got some SRT 4. I used to want, FYI guys, I used to want one so bad. And we got some Camry and some, ooh, this boy's TL. She's showing off. Is he turbo now? Let's see, let's see. Okay, what we got here? We got BC Racing, deal. We got vtec. Ooh, 3.2 liter. Y'all better pull up to this, man. Oh no, he might be too fast. Alright guys, well, I guess we'll go to the car, see what we got, cause I'm tired of holding this camera. Alright guys, so we got, we're ready to rock and roll here. So we got my boy Riley over here. The camera is gonna be this and the GoPro, but yeah, it should be good. Get a little route going. Got Al out, we got Miguel out, we got all the GTI guys out, some of them, and some fast V8s that we want to race. So let's get it. Gonna be a good night. Damn boy, I'm in the wrong crew, y'all. Alright guys, we're kind of up here with the fast guys. I don't even know, man. Like these are all like V8 heads cam, freaking big single S for freaking E85 Mustang. Then we got a little GTI, freaking GTR out here. Cause look at these guys, man. I'm just here to get content. I'm just here to run the GTI, man. That's why I'm up here. Damn it out.
Always do not race.
50, all right. Let's go. TPC down, boy. That's too fast, damn it. Let me try again.
Alright, go. 1, 2, 3, exit. Alright, just pass the exit 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you guys just barrel there. You guys are good to run.
Damn, that was a good brake boost, y'all. Holy shit. I had to jump. This is like way too fast for me. That was pretty decent. Pretty run here. Not too bad, y'all. That's so annoying because you're not in my room. How about this guy? A little marrow action. Alright guys, so here we are. That was pretty good actually. I'm about to go meet these guys up and see what's up, but got a really good run. I was surprised how good I did against the M240i and the Supra, because those were pretty good. And then I did really good against Riley and the TPC38 GTI. So I don't know, man, that was good. Let's go see what these guys are on. Florida Special got clapped up.
No, dude, you're able to fucking reel my ass.
I was, yeah, I was surprised. You're like, what?
I pretty much got the jump on you like every time too.
Yeah, I don't know.
That was good.
Yeah, it was good. That was, I mean, it was decently close. Huh? Yeah. What about you? Did you get
That
it?
probably means I'm not at 400.
I don't know. Maybe you're like, I don't know, 837, 860. I don't know. How much was it? I mean, that one. Guys, check this out. This man repping. This man. Oh yeah. You know? I don't even have mine on.
Look him up, bro.
Look him up. Subscribe to this guy, yo. This guy's legit. He's got millions of followers. Best group. Best group.
Bro, that's not giving you horsepower. I don't know. Oh, hell yeah, dog. Go ahead.
Oh, you wrapped it. much gonna call it today, guys. Kind of terrible, not really, but look, we got a friend, and his name is P0033 for turbocharger something. Essentially, I think the wastegate is messed up, or the diverter valve. So I've had that code before, and I just like plugged it back in because it got loose. So I'll probably do that in a little bit here. So but yeah, guys, anyway, good runs today. I was actually surprised I was able to pull on Riley with the TPC, and then I ran the M240, which was pretty good, and then I ran the Supra, which actually is just a JB4. Has like a reflash tune on pump gas. He was on E30. He didn't do his E30 blend today, so that's why I was so close. I was surprised. But otherwise, besides that, guys, yeah, I mean, it was a good run. Had some fun, got runs in. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.